Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Xbox app not updating error code 0x80073cfb on Windows PC. Follow these steps carefully and your Xbox app should start working again. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Start menu. Type PowerShell. Right-click Windows PowerShell and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes. Step 2. Now you need to uninstall Gaming Services. Paste the uninstall command, provided in the video description, into PowerShell. Press Enter. Wait a few seconds until the process completes. Step 3. Reinstall Gaming Services. Once the uninstall is done, paste the install command, also in the description. Press Enter. A new window will appear. Click on Install. If the install button doesn't work, restart your computer a couple of times. Then try again until the install button works. Wait for Gaming Services to install. Once it's done, the process will complete automatically. Final step. Launch Xbox app. Now open the Xbox app again. The app should now update and run normally without errors. That's it! Your Xbox app update issue should now be fixed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.